In order to install Office 365 to your computer, you'll need to go to Clever. Go to clever.com. You'll have to log into the Active Directory using your student number and password. Click Sign In. It will take you directly to Clever. When you look at my page, you can see that I have Office 365 in my favorites because I have liked it with the heart. But you can find it down below in the district links. Notice that they are in alphabetical order, and there it is in the middle. When I click on Office 365, it takes me to my Office 365 account. I have a wide variety of apps, and over in the upper right-hand corner, you have Install Office. Click on that. It'll allow you to install Office 365. You can install it on up to 5 devices, including smartphones, such as iPhones and Androids. You'll need to log into those app stores in order to get those. You'll download each separate item if you're doing a smart device. Otherwise, when you download it to your laptop, you get all of these great apps. You have online storage with OneDrive and lots of useful tools.